will follow you because I'm Igbo language police. Any Igbo person who cannot speak Igbo, I will arrest the person. You are under arrest.
Forget that one.
You are under arrest. Don't go anywhere. Stop. Stop, sir. No.
Meet me for this one.
No, sir. You have to wait.
Go to English.
Papa Neku
Why you get English?
Are you deliberately speaking English or you cannot speak it?
I can record you too. What are you talking?
Record me.
I record you now. What are you talking?
Why you cannot? I'm police.
What did that mean? What did that mean?
I'm police.
I mean what?
Igbo language police.
What did that mean?
Yeah.
Ojuku did it now.
We establish us.
Ojuku did it.
Go and search Igbo class. Igbo class world on Facebook. We are there.
Yeah, I know they go.
No, we are there. We are serious about it. We say any person. You should see.
This one mean what? This one you are doing what?
You mean that I have arrested you?
Could you leave? Come on for no.
No, I'm not gonna kill man. Don't go anywhere.
Emeka Ojuku.
Ipuna. Why am I speaking English?
Oh, Emeka Ojuku. Wait fast.
Bamba. Iburu onye Igbo. Ngwa suo Igbo n'ike papa. Bịa ka anyị. No. That I can.
You don't believe his name now.
Me? No, I will arrest you. Police don't police are not responsible because we are. Yes, we are among the police.
Go to Parliament and say that.
We are among police, Igbo language police. That's why I'm behaving like this. Speak Igbo. Mbamba, Iburu onye. Igbo onye Igbo, kwuo eziokwu. Ịgwata m okwu m delete. Mmadụ etinye n'Igbo class, mana gwa m okwu n'Igbo. M delete. Gwa m okwu Iburu onye Igbo nna. Papa bịa gwa m okwu n'Igbo, m delete.